Did you know almond milk is packed with vitamins and minerals, providing more calcium than cow's milk in just 1 cup? Almond milk can be a great alternative for those looking to boost their nutrition. Today, we will explore the wonderful world of almond milk and its incredible benefits. We'll cover everything from weight management to skin health and digestion to environmental sustainability. Almond milk has become super popular as a dairy alternative, and for good reason. It's a fantastic option for those looking to cut down on dairy or want to try something new. It's ridiculously versatile. You can drink it on its own, add it to smoothies, or even use it in baking. We'll count down the top 10 benefits of incorporating almond milk into your diet. From the obvious advantages to some surprising perks, we'll cover them all. By the end of this video, you'll be convinced to try almond milk, if you haven't already, that is. Almond milk is amazingly low in calories compared to cow's milk, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. In fact, a single cup of almond milk contains a mere 30-60 calories, whereas cow's milk can range from 100 to 150 calories per cup. That's a significant difference, especially if you're trying to lose or maintain weight. Almond milk is often fortified with vitamins and minerals, which can help support overall health and well-being. Because it's so low in calories, you can indulge in a larger serving without feeling guilty. Just be sure to check the label for added sugars and artificial flavorings. Regarding weight management, almond milk can be a valuable tool. Not only is it low in calories, but it's also rich in protein, which can help keep you full and satisfied between meals. And let's not forget about the healthy fats in almond milk. These can help regulate hunger hormones and support weight loss. In addition to its weight management benefits, almond milk is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. It's particularly rich in vitamin E, essential for maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin E helps combat free radicals, reduces the signs of aging, and even supports skin elasticity. Goodbye to fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin E is also a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against cell damage and oxidative stress. This means almond milk can help support overall health and well-being, not just skin health. And because almond milk is often fortified with other vitamins and minerals, you'll get a boost of nutrition with every sip. Rich in vitamins and minerals, almond milk is an excellent choice for those looking to support their overall health. And when it comes to vitamin E, almond milk is an exceptional source. You'll get a whopping 33% of your daily recommended intake in just 1 cup. That's some serious nutrition in a single serving. Almond milk is also an excellent source of healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats that support heart health. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support weight loss. And because almond milk is low in saturated fats, you can indulge in its creamy goodness without worrying about clogging your arteries. Monounsaturated fats have been shown to profoundly impact heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, and even supporting healthy blood pressure. And when combined with almond milk's low calorie count and rich vitamin content, you have a heart-healthy beverage on your hands. One of the most significant benefits of almond milk is its lactose-free status, making it an excellent choice for those who are lactose intolerant or have dairy allergies. In fact, many people find that almond milk is a more comfortable alternative to traditional cow's milk, with fewer digestive issues and less bloating. Almond milk is also a fantastic option for those with dairy sensitivities, as it's naturally free from common allergens like casein and whey. This means you can enjoy a delicious, creamy beverage without worrying about an allergic reaction. Almond milk is incredibly beneficial for bone health, thanks to its fortified calcium content. In fact, a single cup of almond milk can provide up to 450 milligrams of calcium. That's nearly half your daily recommended intake. This makes almond milk an excellent choice for those supporting strong bones and teeth. Calcium is essential for maintaining healthy bone density, and a deficiency can lead to osteoporosis and other bone-related issues. Incorporating almond milk into your diet can support strong bones and teeth, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Almond milk can also help with blood sugar control, making it a suitable choice for diabetics or those with insulin resistance. The healthy fats and protein present in almond milk can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes and crashes. Plus, almond milk is incredibly low on the glycemic index, meaning it won't cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels and support overall health. In addition to its benefits for blood sugar control, almond milk can help with hydration due to its high water content. In fact, a single cup of almond milk can provide up to 90% of your daily recommended water intake. That's some serious hydration in a single serving. And because almond milk is so refreshing, you'll want to drink more, which can help support overall hydration and reduce the risk of dehydration. The electrolytes in almond milk can help regulate fluid balance and support healthy muscles. Almond milk's high fiber content also promotes digestive health. Fiber supports healthy gut bacteria, reduces inflammation, and regulates bowel movements. The fiber in almond milk can help support healthy digestion, reducing the risk of constipation, diarrhea, and other digestive issues. Because almond milk is so gentle on the stomach, it's an excellent choice for those with sensitive digestive systems. Choosing almond milk over dairy can also significantly impact the environment. In fact, almond milk requires significantly less water and land to produce than traditional cow's milk, making it a more sustainable option. Almond milk's carbon footprint is much lower than that of dairy milk, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and supporting a healthier planet. By choosing almond milk, you'll support eco-friendly farming practices and reduce your environmental impact. Almond milk is also an incredibly versatile ingredient. You can use it in smoothies, baking, or as a creamy addition to oatmeal or yogurt. The endless possibilities make almond milk a valuable addition to your kitchen pantry. And because almond milk is so neutral in flavor, it won't overpower your recipes. You can add it to sweet or savory dishes without worrying about an overpowering taste. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary newbie, almond milk is a fantastic ingredient to have on hand. In conclusion, almond milk is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Almond milk is a fantastic addition to any diet for everything from weight management to skin health and digestion to environmental sustainability. Incorporating almond milk into your daily routine can profoundly impact your overall health and well-being. So take the leap and try almond milk. Your body and the planet will thank you. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you have a favorite almond milk recipe or health benefit, be sure to share it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. We'll catch you in the next video.